Hey guys, my name is Courtney McFadden. I am one of WD40 Bike cyclocross athletes, and I am standing here in the WD40 Bike warehouse to talk to you about all of the bike cleaning products that you can use to clean, lube, and protect your bike to keep them running as smoothly as possible. So the first product I want to talk to you about is the chain cleaner and degreaser. I prefer to use this product first when I'm cleaning my bikes, and I like to clean my bike post-ride so I'm not holding up any of my friends trying to clean my bike before the ride. The reason you want to degrease your chain is that it's going to help prevent any dirt buildup on the chain to keep your chain lasting longer so you don't have to replace it as often. Step number one, you want to shake the can really well and take the cap off. And then you line up that nozzle. There's a little blue dot. You're gonna line up the nozzle with the blue dot. Make your way to your chain. I like to start in the back toward the cassette so that I know I am getting that grease out of the cassette and the chain. Spray right on there, back pedaling your bike. So as you can see, this is foaming up. That foam really gets in there to break up the grease and grime, so your chain will come out sparkling clean. So another great thing about this product is that it is safe for all bike finishes and components, that if you get any extra spraying or dripping, that's okay because it doesn't contain any citrus solvents or acids that can damage your bike. You want to wait a couple of minutes, then after that you want to find a rag to wipe and clean it off. I like to start on the chain and back pedal my bike through that, gently wiping it off. After I've done the chain, I like to get to the pulleys and the derailleur, which is right back here. I'll use a light thumb or finger on them, and you want to make sure to get the outside and the inside because a lot of gunk can build up in there. And then on both pulleys is important. So I hope you can see how easy it is to clean and degrease your bike.